You can simply feel the energy and excitement from everyone here that the Aruba Open is back. But what is it about this sporting affair that gets everyone so excited, and what do they truly love about it?
It's everything. It's everything for us. I think it's everything for Aruba.
I love the sport in general.
I mean, it's a fantastic way to just really uplift the whole area, I think.
This tournament is special because the people and the atmosphere of the center court is amazing.
Everybody comes with a big energy to the lovely island of Aruba, so this is the best thing that can happen in during the whole year.
I think it's pretty exciting to see. I mean, we've been to Aruba a few times, and to be able to see this with all these different people internationally, it's really exciting.
But also the ambience, everything that Aruba Open has to offer is just amazing. We wait for it the whole year round. We practice for it. Just have a great time every time.
I really love seeing all the people, and there's a lot of people I recognize, and playing. I love the sport in general. I've been playing since I was maybe 10, and just seeing this big environment and competing with my friends is really fun.
I think it's just a great way to promote people coming to Aruba. I understand it's like internationally known and recognized, and you know, just all the sponsors and the vendors.
I've been playing already for like 5 years already, and Aruba Open is different than the whole year around. This has nothing to do with playing against the local and anything, but this is you got to play against everybody. Brazilians, Curacao, Bonaire, everybody comes with a big energy to the lovely island of Aruba, so this is the best thing that can happen in during the whole year.
I think everybody seems to be having a really fun time, and you know, when we were lined up to get in, everybody seemed really excited, and everybody seems to be having like a really great time, and it seems very family friendly as well. I see children here and just people of all ages. I think it's wonderful.
It brings people together. People from other countries come to Aruba and find their loving sport, and seeing their favorite sport being broadcasted in other countries and islands.
Oh, it's very exciting. Yeah, it's something new. It's a new sport. We haven't seen it before. So coming from Connecticut and colder weather, it is nice to see tennis on the beach.
It's just like a great big party. It's like carnival all over again, but this time playing the sport that you love. You have all the pros with you, and they get to enjoy the party with you, and our culture as well. You embrace the culture that you celebrate in Aruba, so it's great. It's just awesome.
Definitely, if we have some extra time, I think, in our next travels, we would consider coming back during this tournament.